What's going on? What's going on, man? As you can tell, weather is pretty gross today. Nice Lexus GX right there. I love those cars. Want one of those soon. Might be the next whip. But yeah, man, we're just driving to the gym. Be a nice little relaxing POV drive video. It's super rainy out, really wet, so we're just riding in comfort. Got the heat heaters on, seat heaters on, and yeah, man, just gonna be a chill drive. Go hit shoulders and arms at the gym, get some good exercise in, hit the sauna. But yeah, man, hope you had a good Friday. Hope your week was good, man. Hope you're just, you know, out there living it up, man, as much as you can. Make the most of your week. Head into the weekend strong. Got a new 4Runner right here too. Those are pretty cool, but I think I'd take the GX over a 4Runner. The new gens, at least. More expensive is the GX, obviously. But anyways, man, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for riding with me. As always, I appreciate y'all. And enjoy the ride, man. If you haven't already, drop a sub, join the fam. And welcome to the channel, man. Something I really love about my car is that with downpipes and a tune, you can really have the best of both worlds, like in comfort, nice, smooth, quiet. And then you can throw it into sport, open the valves, and it's just super loud. So this video, just gonna go on comfort. But you know, it's nice and relaxing on a chill day like today. So, but when you do want to open it up and rip it, man, it's just so much fun. It's like I really don't think I'll ever get sick of this car. It was a dream car for so long for me. Girlfriend's calling me. I'll have to call her back. But yeah, best of both worlds, man. This to me is like the feel, the sound of a S55 engine. It's just something I've always wanted, and it's really fun, man. Really, really fun. It's an undercover cop. So, anyways, man, like I said, pulling up on the gym, gonna hit some shoulders and arms, and then get in the sauna. So, yeah, park up front today, I guess. All right, man. That's it for me. We are getting into October for sure now with this rain. As soon as the rain rolls in Western Washington, it doesn't stop. So we're in for a long winter, it seems, but that's all right with me, man. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you enjoy the content, if you enjoy the chill POV drives, hit that like button and follow along for more, man. I appreciate you. And until next time, drive safe out there. Roads are wet, disgusting. As always, man, see you in the next video. Peace.